We posted it on our department social media platforms, including Facebook, and gosh, within an hour or so, we had a confidential informant who reached out and said that they thought they knew who that was, and they thought that maybe they knew actually where that eagle statue was. It's very much an opt-in, permission-based program. We're not seeking to be Big Brother in any way, shape, or form.
I think it's excellent for Livonia. In fact, we were one of the first police departments in the state of Michigan to be involved with this, and I feel it has made the community safer.
So first, I want to challenge the idea that more surveillance in a society makes people safer. I don't think that's true, and I especially don't think it's true for marginalized communities. I think the inverse is true. I think it amplifies people's fears in terms of racism and fear of people who they don't think belong in their community.
We're about communities. We're about protecting our people. That is our #1 objective and goal at the Livonia Police Department, and I feel this helps us accomplish our mission.
It's about generating leads and be able to keep our community safe. It's not about spying on anyone.